Pray for me. Pray.
This is level 5.
Bismillah. Ah. Oh. In this video, I tried the spiciest food in Indonesia. I wasn't ready. Hi. Hello and welcome to my channel. So finally I made it to Monas during daytime. So today I will be trying spicy food. And you know, I'm from Poland, Europe. And if Europeans think about spicy food, that would be probably Mexico, India, Thailand. But I don't think many people think that Indonesia actually has spicy food. So when I first time came here, I was shocked. Probably Indonesia has the most spicy food I have ever tried. And so today I will be trying crazy food. Probably the most spicy food in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let's go. Finally, I can make a recreation of that sticker. Such a classic. Terima kasih. Hati-hati. When you're a foreigner, many locals would like to have a photo with you, especially when I'm wearing this jacket. And yeah, that's very kind. You can feel it a bit special. Berapa?
5.000.
But it's very iced. So now police came and they are illegal here. So he's taking the photos of them and look, they are moving. Oh my god. But I hope I'm legal. They are back in 1 minute, very fast. And I rented a bike, finally. I think the price was fine. It's hard to rent a bike as a foreigner in Jakarta, to be honest. It's not Bali. Wow, I need to get ready for that. Hello, apa kabar? Amin.
Yeah.
You have gloves for the hand? Yeah? Big, besar.
I only have gloves for medical.
Are you a doctor?
No.
Are you a pharmacist?
I study.
Okay, good luck. My hand is big.
Yes. 5,000.
5,000. Lima. 5,000. Amazing. I hope you become doctor one day. Amin. So I arrived. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a chain store, but apparently this is one of the most spicy food here in Jakarta. I'm going to sweat. So today I'm with my mysterious friend. Maybe you will meet him in next video. Is it the most spicy food in Jakarta?
In Jakarta.
Yeah? This one, really?
I think so. You need to try.
I mean, yeah. You see, this place doesn't look so spicy, but apparently it is.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat spicy. The maximum spicy you have.
Lagi promo juga Kak, mau free perkedel atau cheese cream free?
For free.
Okay.
I think you should try perkedel. Spicy.
Pedas. Takut. Scary. I'm scared.
Totalnya jadi Rp106.000. Yes.
Is enough?
And
6,000. Totalnya Rp110.000.
how do you feel?
I'm scared. I mean, I can eat spicy, but Indonesian spicy is different spicy.
Really?
Okay, we will eat outside. Is okay?
Terima kasih.
Thank you so much. Pray for me. Pray. So, let's do it. You have toilet? Yes. Rumah mandi? Kamar mandi. The toilet first, you know, wash my face, prepare. I put the water on my face so you will not see my tears, I hope. Mysterious friend, how do you pronounce this restaurant?
Richeese.
Richeese?
Richeese.
Richeese?
Just Richeese.
Just Richeese, I hope it will not kill me.
Wow.
This is 5 ya?
Ngomong sini, Mbak.
Shocked.
This is level 5, this is level 2.
Fighting.
Fighting.
I'm happy that we have a big drinks.
Crazy.
So you have to teach me how do you pray in Indonesia.
Thank God for everything. Or
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I mean, Bismillah, please. Bismillah, Piromahim. I cannot do it, I'm stressed. I don't want.
You have to eat.
I mean, I know. I really love spicy food, but
Will kill you.
so I read online that this one, number 5, can be even harmful for your hands, the skin. So I brought the gloves.
Oh my god!
Too small.
Yeah.
Indonesian gloves are too small for me. I'm sorry.
For
We
Indonesia.
just use our hands.
I don't want to get burned.
Stop doing that, man. It's useless, man.
Breathe in, breathe
Breathe
out.
Which one?
This one. Oh, it's not spicy.
Weak.
For the lady. And this is number 2 for you, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So we have a lot of cheese. I hope it will help. And this one is what? I'm the doctor right now. Doctor Gila. Operation. Ah, it's the rice. It's beautiful, look. I love you. I know you're not spicy. Oh, taste of the gloves.
Start.
No. What is this one?
It's perkedel.
Perkedel.
Perkedel?
Perkedel.
Perkedel? What is perkedel?
Made from potatoes.
You have a name for this sauce in Indonesia?
Lava.
Lava. Okay, maybe I can try the lava a little bit first. Okay.
1, 2, go.
First bite. Ooh.
Okay.
Great.
So far it's okay.
Okay.
Enak.
Enak.
Okay.
Reduce it.
I feel something. Something is coming.
More.
Look guys, he is becoming a Hellboy.
Okay, I'm getting hot. I feel it's burning through the glass.
Your face become red, man.
Nasi, nasi, nasi. We need you. In Indonesia, you eat the rice with the hands, right?
Yeah, with the hands. Bare hands. Look at his expression.
Lady Grab, hi. There is a woman competitor. Maybe we can be friends anyways, right?
On. Finish it, man.
I have to finish because I have respect for the chef.
I can feel the sense of spicy, you know.
Me too. Oh. Do you have a tissue? Something is coming from my nose.
Look at his lips. Look at his lips.
Ah, it's burning, man. Ah. How?
Tissue for the baby.
Spoiled.
Actually, it's the nose, but okay. I don't want to touch my face, but let's try. More than half, right?
Little half.
Oh, this side is very red. I forgot.
Not like that, man.
Oh, it's not spicy. Oh, when I'm biting, it's like somebody punched me in the face, you know?
Like a girl punch you.
Like a man punched me. Oh. Oh. Ah. Not good idea because the nasi is hot, you know?
You can do that. Come on.
Ah. I'm sucking the sauce out of the bone. Ah. Sakit! How do you say kiss in Bahasa?
Cium.
Cium, cium. No. Pedas.
You can
Dalam
drink.
berapa trip? Gojek?
Gojek ya.
Ya, saya Grab.
Grab, oke. Suka Grab juga.
Gojek
Ada berapa orderan?
How many orders you get today?
Hari ini 0.
Hah? Betul? Ya. Nah, saudara.
Oh, wah, you rich. Kamu orang kaya.
Maybe she can buy you one more chicken.
No, maybe no. Oh, wait. Tunggu sebentar.
Okay.
Minum.
Can you help me? Oh,
Lagi.
lagi.
Baby.
Terima kasih.
Oke.
Kamu baik.
Gojek sama Grab.
Sama-sama.
Salam satu aspal.
Salam.
Satu aspal.
Satu asbal.
Oke.
Hati-hati.
Ya.
Lady Grab.
Oh my god, it's gross. Oh.
Sorry. Maaf. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. Everything is finished. I will finish the
Perkedel.
perkata.
One more chicken?
Perkata.
Do you want more?
I'm full
Really?
Okay, but I still use the sauce for the.
Perkedel.
Oh. No, eating everything what is hot is make it worse.
Make it worse?
Has to be the cold rice. I have to tell them.
Yeah, you have to tell them everything.
It's better, right?
A little bit. So you make like that, the bowl. I finish everything.
One more chicken?
Okay.
Easy, right?
It's a little bit easy, maybe a little bit difficult. Okay. Look, my hands are wet. I'm sweating. Like, all my back is wet. My hand become from the water, you know, from the sweat. Oh.
It's okay.
When I try to clean my face, it's like ripping my lips off.
Your lips is so red. Give a kiss, give a kiss.
Even licking now. How do you say cheers in Bahasa?
Toast, cheers.
Toast? Toast.
It's not beer, man.
I'm wet. I need a shower.
Any words?
Help. Tolong.
Somebody call 911. There is no 911 in Indonesia, you know.
Eat that soup. It won't have you.
I feel like something bad happened, you know? What is this soup?
Cheese soup. Is it good?
Looks good, right?
It's mild. Looks like a dressing.
Slowly, man.
It gives me the relief for now, but I'm afraid about later in the toilet.
Tell me your experience.
My nose is running all the time. I got a little bit, you know, chills if I had a fever, a little bit shaking inside, and I feel hot and cold at the same time.
Panas dingin.
Panas dingin.
Panas dingin.
But I have to say the chicken was actually very good.
If there's any one more chance to eat that,
I would eat it again, but for sure not in the same day. Take a rest, sleep for 12 hours, recover, and then I could try again probably. I feel tired. I have to thank for the food. Terima kasih. Thank you for the food. Enak. Enak.
Thank you very much.
Tidak pedas.
Tidak pedas.
Sedikit.
Spicy.
A little bit. My YouTube channel.
Okay.
Makasih. Thank you.
Yeah.
What is it? Your girlfriend?
This is a CD.
Ah.
CD music.
Okay.
You want?
I don't have the reader, so makasih. Thank you for the food.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I look like somebody beat me. The experience was very intense. Probably I need to go back home and sleep. Maybe next time I go to Migachohan. That's why you need to stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, you can like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Sampai jumpa. Like and subscribe.
12 o'clock midnight. Thank you.